This event is not for everyone. If you have it all figured out, this is not for you. And with all due respect, I ask you not to waste our time or your money. This event is for those of us who are always willing to challenge our own ideologies. After 1,000 views of the initial post, I think it's time for more information. Creating vision. Inspired by a piece I wrote last year, this event comes out of my own reckoning with the expectations of our generation as it's been presented to most of us. Though vision boards will be incorporated, the practice of creating vision is where we will spend most of our time. When you leave this event, I want you to feel empowered and confident in the direction you choose for yourself. For the elders joining us, we look to your history and insights so we may learn from your wins as well as your losses. The Creating Vision workshop is a shift in cultural consciousness and an approach at redefining the narrative for our generation and for those after us. So, I sincerely hope that you will attend on Saturday, February 25th in Atlanta. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Get tickets now, prices go up later. Alright.